Hello guys, review Motorola Moto G24 Power. This version 8GB memory and 256GB internal memory storage. Look completion. In completion we have documentary, key for SIM slot, adapter for charging with quick charge. Okay. And Type-C cable in completion. Okay, good. Now talk about device. On the back side double camera made of plastic. This side slot for 2 SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On this side power button with fingerprint scanner and warm buttons. Upside headphones jack, downside Type-C port. Okay, turn on device. We have 6000 mAh battery with quick charge. Open settings, Android version 14. Okay, and look, Geekbench 6 score and CPU information. MediaTek Helio G85, Mali G52 MC2 is GPU, and results. Look into the benchmark. Okay. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Okay. And look camera. Camera we have 50 plus 2 megapixels. Front camera 8 megapixels. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.